Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check if someone is online on Snapchat. Today I'm going to show you how to check if someone is online on Snapchat. Snapchat does not have a direct online status, but there are a few easy ways to tell if someone is active. First, open the app on your iPhone. Open the Snapchat and swipe right to go to the chat screen. If you see their Bitmoji appears at the bottom of the chat, it means they are currently in the conversation and active right now. If you see the word typing, that's another clear sign they are online. You can also look at the snap map, pinch the screen or tap the map icon on the to open snap map. If the person has snap map turned on and is sharing their location, you may see their Bitmoji on the map. Tap on their Bitmoji. If you see open just one or received a snap from there, they are clearly online or active moment ago. Snapchat does not show online status like active now or last seen. If you don't see any of this sign, it's don't allow means they are offline. They may just be browsing quietly. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.